Hello. It is the time of year for Vivid Sydney here in Australia. One of the coolest things about this festival is the light installations and attractions that you could see from 6 to 11 p.m. starting May 24th to June 15th. But you don't have to break the bank to see as many spots you want, because we now give you 5 of Circular Quay's best. Here's Vivid Sydney 2019 to 5 free Circular Quay hotspots just for you. The Ballerina. Along the harbour's edge, the Ballerina conjures the desire of young artists to reach the infinite through their artistry. The work uses a lighting sequence played across 20 silhouettes to represent the hypnotic cycle of a ballet, repeating in sync with the soundtrack. Perfect for your little daughters. The Marine Turtle. This was an entirely handmade sea turtle in 2016 for Taronga Conservation Society's Centenary Year Parade. Combining LED lighting and control technology, state-of-the-art 3D design software, mechanical flippers, artisanal steel, fabric and working talents of traditional Chinese lantern makers. It raises awareness of our responsibility to preserve nature. Under the harbour. The architecture of Customs House is a canvas for the award-winning, surreal underwater encounter sure to delight children and adults alike. A hyper-coloured multiverse splashes across the facade of the historic building. Under the harbour is a playful, exquisite escape from reality into an extraordinary underwater fantasy certain to inspire audiences and deepen the appreciation of Sydney's aquatic haven. The Harp of the City. The Harp of the City is a giant public instrument that produces sound and an interactive light show. Like any master-crafted instrument, each harp is completely unique, carved by hand out of wood. This gives each harp its own character, which is mirrored in both form and sound. Let it snow. Have you ever seen it snow in Sydney? This super-scale immersive and responsive installation makes it seem like giant snowflakes have landed at Hickson Road Reserve. This is an environment where virtual and physical worlds coincide. Walk between the crystalline structures for a sense of the way snow flurries. Illuminated by many thousands of LED bulbs, Let It Snow reacts to weather patterns and pedestrian motion. What are you waiting for? Go to Vivid Sydney before it is finished on June 15th. Drop by our shop while you're in Sydney. Visit us at Sydney CBD, repair for your smartphone screen replacement needs. Enjoy!